really. Yeah, nobody is there. It gives not a human draw up on the ground.
Okay.
Yeah. So we want to go straight ahead. Which line you have to use?
This one.
This one, huh? And that's the main direction. Straight ahead. That's the main direction. Straight ahead. Yes, English. Geradeaus on power. New street, new rules. Now you look on a corner. Maybe you can find a speed sign.
Okay.
No speed sign there. Then you can drive 50. No fear. The tram has not steering. So and now everything is free in front of, and switch the line to right. Look inside mirror, outside mirror, indicator side look. Inside mirror, outside mirror, indicator side look. Yes. And indicator up. The examiner is looking for the sequence. Yeah?
Okay.
The sequence have to be perfect. Looking is a very important thing. That's a 90% from the exam. 99%. And you're straight ahead. And drive. Yeah, that is not good, no? And back. Come on. Leave the brake, please. Leave the brake, please. Leave the brake, please. Yeah?
So we can
That
pass.
was not good, dude. No, that
We
was
can
not good.
pass. Yeah.
That was not good. That was your decision. I want to look that, no? But you're really unsafe, no? Stop, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yeah? And what is with the steering? The left. Don't move the steering to left if you stop.
Okay.
You are unsafe in your decision. You stop or not. Yeah? And your brake was not good, no? We have no car behind us. Then you can brake a little bit stronger.
Okay.
If we have someone behind, then you cannot brake too strong.